The government is still committed to the ongoing talks for the human resources for health conversation. You know very well that our interns have been in the field without pay, and right now the court has given us 90 days to have a conversation with them. And secondly, His Excellency the President set up a task force to look into all the issues regarding the interns. It is important to note that the government is committed and will not move out of this space until we come up with a solution, and a long-lasting solution for around the human resources for health in this country. All the cadres, starting from the doctors, the clinical officers, the nurses, and any other cadre out there,